Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports. Today we have a 2016 Lexus NX 200T. This comes in a black exterior with a tan interior. Do have that nice black leather accent as well. Sunroof. Come around to the back here, NX 200T and Lexus badging. Power opening and closing trunk. Rear seats. Memory seats, driver door controls, driver seat controls, driver seat, steering wheel, mileage in this vehicle is 80,783. We do have a push button ignition. Lexus radio, as well as navigation system, and backup camera, climate control, shifter, and center console. Now, if you'd like to see any more photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website at feldmannimports.com.